Did you know that testing has evolved from tedious manual processes to sophisticated automation? This transformation is crucial for modern development, ensuring faster and more reliable software delivery. Automation isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. It allows developers to focus on innovation while machines handle repetitive tasks, enhancing both speed and accuracy. Manual testing has its limitations. It's time-consuming and prone to human error, which can lead to costly mistakes in software development. Automation offers a solution by increasing testing speed and precision. It ensures that software meets quality standards without the bottlenecks of manual processes. Test automation involves using software tools to execute tests automatically. It streamlines the testing process, making it more efficient and less error-prone. There are various tools and frameworks available, each catering to different needs. Choosing the right one depends on your project requirements and goals. Creating your first automated test is simpler than you might think. Start by identifying repetitive tasks that can be automated. Select tools that align with your needs. Begin with a simple test case, gradually expanding as you gain confidence and experience. Incorporating automated tests into CICD workflows is essential for continuous integration and delivery. It ensures that code changes are tested automatically, reducing deployment risks. The benefits are clear: faster feedback loops, improved software quality, and a smoother development process. Automation is key to successful CI/CD implementation. Scaling automation across projects requires strategic planning. Start small, then expand by identifying areas with the highest impact. Common challenges include tool compatibility and resource allocation. Overcome these by fostering collaboration and continuous learning within your team. Adopting industry best practices ensures effective automation. Regularly update and maintain your tests to adapt to changing requirements. Focus on creating reusable test scripts and prioritize tests that provide the most value. This approach maximizes efficiency and effectiveness. Emerging trends in test automation include AI-driven testing and advanced analytics. These technologies promise to further enhance testing efficiency and accuracy. Prepare for the future by staying informed and adaptable. Embrace new tools and methodologies to keep your testing strategies ahead of the curve. In summary, we've explored the evolution of testing, the necessity of automation, and how to integrate it into your workflows. Automation is the future of software testing. By embracing automation, you'll enhance your development process, ensuring faster and more reliable software delivery. It's time to take the next step in your testing journey. Ready to transform your testing approach? Start by exploring automation tools and integrating them into your projects. The benefits are waiting for you. Join us in revolutionizing software testing. Begin your automation journey today and lead the way in modern development practices. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and Well Architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out i4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us.